Welcome to dotNet Weekly, where we will see all the news in the world of dotNet and spotlighting interesting new article you might want to check out. So let's see what happened in the last week. dotNet 6 release candidate 1 has been released. This release has been focused exclusively on quality improvements and performance issues in the new and existing features of dotNet. You can download dotNet 6 release candidate 1 SDK from Microsoft website. Also, updates for .NET 5 and .NET 3.1 SDK has been released. There is no noteworthy changes in these releases. Visual Studio 2022 Preview 4 has been released. Some of the new features include setting a dependent breakpoint, which are breakpoint that hits only if its dependent breakpoint got hit. Next, there is hot reload support for Blazor and CSS projects. Also, there is improved theming capabilities, so expect to see more themes for Visual Studio. This Channel 9 video will show you the new experience of building web form projects in Visual Studio 2022. He will also show you the new web form designer and the Web Live preview feature, which enables us to see the changes live. Here is another Channel 9 video that shows us how we can accept online payments with Stripe. Stripe is a great service that makes it easy for developers to accept online payments and send payouts. In .NET 6, team has introduced a new feature called package source mapping. It gives you fine-grained control of where your package comes from. By mapping every package in your solution to a specific target package source, we can configure this in the NuGet.config file. You can test this feature out now using preview version of .NET 6 XDK. If you want to learn all about minimal APIs in a glance, then you must check this post out. For those who are not familiar with minimal APIs, it was introduced in .NET 6 and provides a new way to configure application startup and routing a request to a function with very minimal code. How do you handle large payload in your application? This YouTube video will explain the claim check pattern to handle the large messages. On to the tip of this week. Press .key in any GitHub repository to open it in online Visual Studio Code editor. Most of the Visual Studio Code functionalities work here, like changing a file and committing it, searching in files, and others. One thing that you can't do here is that you can't run the application. If you want to run the application, then check out GitHub Codespace. That's all for this video. Check the description for all the source website link. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next week.